sun. I feel a gentle breeze whispering sweet melodies through the swaying trees. With every passing moment, my heart begins to soar. Sunny days like